build. We're gonna be painting the complete truck. We're gonna go ahead and get started with our doors. We don't really have a door dolly or anything like that, so we've got the front ones hanging on the lift and the half doors hanging on some chains. So we're gonna go ahead and wet the floor, tack cloth our doors, and start spraying them in with some sealer. Let's get to work.
Let's do it, dude. Alright guys, the sealer laid down nice and smooth. Now it's time to lay down some paint.
Let's start spraying. Alright you guys, so the base coat is nice and dry. We got 3 coats on it, everything is covered. So now we're gonna go ahead and tack cloth it and mix up some clear. Let's get to spraying. Today we're getting ready to spray the truck in, so let's get straight to it.
Alright, Danny. I think it's time for some paint. What do you say?
Yo, did you get this clean under here?
Ooh, I left that one for you.
All right, you guys, so we got our base coat laid down. Everything is nice and smooth. We threw about 3 coats. It is a challenge in itself trying to get the roof because it's so massive. So wish us some luck by dropping a like. We're gonna go ahead and mix up some clear and get to spraying it on.
Alright guys, we got the last 2 pieces painted on the truck. There's a few imperfections, but overall the new paint job looks amazing. It is getting late on us, so we'll have to catch you tomorrow.
It's next day here, and today we're going to continue working on the truck, start piecing it together and making it look like a truck again. We didn't really show us installing the bed and the doors because we had to make room to paint the rest of the truck, but we basically just had some straps up here and had it on the lift, lifted it up and backed the truck up, so now we just have to bolt it on. And now we're going to go ahead and throw our half doors on because we finally got the hinges painted. And we're going to go ahead and start putting the sills and locks and everything together on the doors and start working with that and pretty much just start piecing the whole truck together. And to help us out, we did have to label each sill so that we know where to start and what side it goes on. That's just going to speed up the process. So let's get started. This one's a little more trickier to get in. It's got 2 channels that it's got to go in.
There you go.
This one's pretty simple, just snaps right in. No screws. Just snap it in and you're ready to go.
All right, let's get this door panel on next. What do you think?
Yeah, we can pretty much wrap this whole door up. We already got the handle installed and all the sills around.
What about the mirror? Does it go on after or before?
That actually goes on before. So let's go get the mirrors.
Yeah, let's go get those mirrors out.
There we go. So these are the towing mirrors we went with. They're a texture black finish. We're gonna go ahead and put them on the truck and see what it looks like, but let us know if we should color match these with the truck or even paint them like a high gloss black. Just depending on what we do with the wheels and stuff, we'll have to see how that goes. But we are gonna put the mirror on so that we can put the door panel and just complete this door and then move on to the half door and do the same thing to the other side.
Let's do it.
So we got all the new hardware right here. It's provided, and you just get this little bracket piece like this. I guess this gives it more support.
All right, guys, check this out. We got the tow mirror on. Now it's time to throw the door panel on and seal this door up.
Yes, sir. This is like my favorite part, is like getting everything back together.
Oh yeah, man, it's just too fun working then.
So we had to get our switch back on here to operate the windows. Now we're just gonna snap it back in. Just like so. It's all secured. Now we just need two little screws up here, one right here, and it's pretty much complete.
We should probably throw the half door on this side. What do you think?
Yeah, we can just pretty much finish up this whole side.
And jump on to the next one.
Let's do it. Check this out, guys. So we got the doors on and complete on both sides. Everything is coming together great. We do still have to do some adjusting on our fender and our hood. Probably have to order some new hinges for that. But we're gonna go ahead and install the headlights we got. Let me know what you guys think about those in the comments. And finish off with the new grill. Should we have went with the mesh or leave it at that stock look?
I think mesh would have looked better, but I guess this will do for now. We might change it in the long run.
Yeah, it just depends on what we do with our wheels and everything. Let us know if we should get the mesh one. We're gonna go ahead and throw it on and then pull the truck outside and test the headlights out. Don't let that hood fly up.
Just a couple of bolts I need.
Everything is lining up right here. You want to start on this side?
Yeah, I just need to go grab those bolts.
I got you. This episode, we made a lot of progress on the truck. We got the thing painted and almost put back together. We do still have to order a few miscellaneous parts like our front and rear bumper, some hood hinges, and a cable that we broke on the half door. The front doors are put back together. Now we're just gonna wait on our sound deadening to come in so we can complete the interior. And we actually have to reorder some headlights because the ones we got will not work on this truck. I think they were for a 1500, I'm not sure. But with that being said, thank you guys for all the love and support. And if you are new, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to support your boys. Follow me on Instagram at DannyTV to get an inside sneak peek there before YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you very soon.